In this video, I'll show you how to add coins to your Coingecko portfolio. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, at first, you need to be logged into your Coingecko dashboard, right? This is our Coingecko dashboard. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to show you how you can add some coins to your portfolio, right, on Coingecko. So how this works basically, let's say you purchased some tokens and you want love to be in really close touch with those tokens, right? So let's say you can add up a portfolio right here on Coingecko and keep in close track to all the coins, right? So it might pump anytime and you might not be aware. So I'm going to show you how you can add up coins to your portfolio, right? So okay, this would be a step-by-step basic video, right? So let's say I want to add up some tokens now. I'll click on this add coin. Let's say Solana. I'll click on Solana, right? Yeah, so I've added this coin up. I would click on Bitcoin. I've added it up. I would click on SEO. I've added it up, right? So what I'm going to do now, I'll refresh my page. Exactly. So these are the 3 coins on my portfolio right now, and I'm going to add some specific amount of prices I bought for these tokens. I'll click on this add transaction. Let's say I purchased $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, right? I'll click on it, $1,000 add transaction. Okay, I'll click on this $1,000. I'll enter it here. Okay, should be 0.09. Yeah, oh, should be more than 0. Okay, let's say 1 Bitcoin. Yeah, so this is an instance video, right? So I purchased $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. I purchased 1 full Bitcoin. Should be around 60 something thousand dollars, right? So I'll still come on here, click on add transaction. Let me say 10 Solana. Yeah, so I'll come on here, I'll click on 10 Solana. Yeah, add transaction. I'll wait for, yeah, it has added successfully. So I'll add this as well, SEO. So you can see from this graph now, I've been displayed with my holdings. I'm currently holding $69,000, right, in my current balance. From these coins I just added up, I can still come on here and add SEO. So you can check from this my holdings, right? You can check from these holdings to understand what I meant basically, right? Come on to this SEO. I would add, let me say I bought 1,500 SEO. Yeah, I'll add transaction. It has added automatically, right? So I would refresh my page right now. I'll refresh my page so as you understand what I truly meant, right? So this is my portfolio. This is my portfolio. Click on this, right? Yeah. So I'm currently holding $72,000, right? $70,000. I'm holding 68K in Bitcoin. I'm holding $2,757 in SEO. I'm holding $1,600 on Solana. So this is basically how you can add coins to your Coingecko portfolio. If you found this video helpful, or if you got some questions you want to ask me below in the comment section, let me know what you think about this video, and let me know if you love to get more videos like this in the future. Thank you guys for hanging around till the very end of this video. If you got some questions, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.